Impact!
Watch your steel. Don't miss.
Get safety, get the bag down. All right, so right now they are having to get that 100-pound sandbag on top of that post. They're working as a team. First one to get to 8. There's a target at 100 yards, and they have to get a hit on each side of the post.
Target.
So he's gonna hit.
Impact!
There's another hit. He's got to knock the bag down. That's 1 point.
Nice.
First one to get to 8 is winning.
Keep going.
Real big thing, muzzle control, keeping those dust ports up. Dust cover's closed, you don't get that sugar sand in there.